Happy Monday, my YouTube family and friends. Happy Monday to each and every one of you. This is your girl, Miss Bev, again, straight out of Jamaica, man. So, I hope that all is well with you guys wherever you are. And you know what? Today we're on the road. I got to go visit an old school that I used to teach at. We drove to the old principal's home. He was home and available. We had some good conversations. It was just totally awesome. And then on our way, guys, look what we got. Pineapple. My God, let me tell you something, guys. If you ever taste this pineapple, you never buy another pineapple in where I come from. They peel the pineapples. Well, I see a few little things on it. But let me tell you, sweet man, just look at it. You see how, just look at that. You can see the sweetness. Just juicy pineapple. I don't eat that hard thing in the middle of regular pineapples up in Connecticut because sometimes they are so sour. But this, I'm telling you guys, it's sweet to the bone. Every piece of it is sweet. I just wanted to share with you guys. We also got some coconut. We also got some coconut. And what else we got? We got coconut. We got some mangoes too. So I'm going to show you the mangoes at another time. But we got some mangoes, guys. It's so funny that from the time I came, I never got to eat. I didn't eat a mango. But we do have mangoes that we're going to enjoy. So I hope that all is well with you guys and that you're remembering to lift each other up, that you're remembering to do the right things, the positive things, the wholesome things. And if you can't be good, be careful, but walk good, do good, live good. Miss Bev said that. Make it a great day by choice, my people. Bye.